Archipelago Villa's concept is born from living the house independently for each inhabitant. A young family with teenage daughters. The home has been organized into independent areas or islands, each with character and function. At the same time, every island establishes a unique relationship with its garden and connects with the other rooms through the common spaces that link them naturally. All islands visually connect with the garden surrounding them by the outer perimeter. They also turn towards a central atrium. These visual connections are one of the main ideas articulating the house's design. Thus, from the aromatic garden next to the house's entrance, one can see the large central atrium, which houses an infinity pool right in front of the living room. All islands maintain these interior-exterior relationships with each other and with open spaces. This way, the house flows, opens, and relates to the outside, maintaining its autonomy and privacy. The roof design is another key element of the project. A large roof is common to all the islands and provides them with shelter, unity, and shade. The house is accessed via an aromatic garden next to which the family island is situated. The island has a closed dining room, a large living room, and an open kitchen. A large swimming pool dominates this space and connects to an outdoor kitchen and dining area. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.